This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation. In this video, I want to show you how we use our Send Wizard technology to create an order confirmation email. To start the process, the user simply clicks Order Confirmation, and a prompt will appear of all of the active contacts for this customer. We show the email address, so it's very clear when someone doesn't have one, so you wouldn't click this person's name. And this person is pre-selected. The reason that happens is because Pete is selected as the order confirmation recipient. For this particular client, we can have more than one, or we can leave them all unchecked. It's really done on a case-by-case basis by the salesperson, and it's really just a time saver, because you can select as many or as few people as you want for this order confirmation. Once you select that person, click the Next button, and a list of all the internal people appear. In this particular case, the client sometimes wants to CC a sales director or one of their colleagues, so they have the chance to do that here. So I'll pick Mark and then click Next. They also wanted the opportunity to enter a one-time email where they didn't want to create a contact necessarily. They just wanted to include this person. It's rarely used, but we put it in anyway because it's sometimes needed. We'll skip this step. The email gets generated to the customer with the internal person on CC. All the verbiage is pre-entered. And most importantly, the attachment is attached. In this case, it's the order. This is a huge time saver for the customer because prior to this, they would send order confirmations the way we all seem to send them, where you create the PDF, you save it to your desktop, you create an email, you attach the PDF, you hope you attach the right one, you type up the email. There's a lot of manual steps. This not only saves time, but the communication is consistent. Send Wizard is a tool that's available to all of our managed service clients, and now it's also part of the P2 control layer. If you'd like to learn more about how Send Wizard can help your team be more efficient, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.